because one of the things that I see a ton of articles on now, and anytime ChatGPT comes up, is it's very powerful, right? Like its data set is the internet, right? So it can it's going to know as much as it can know, right? All backward looking, obviously, by definition, but the real art is in the drafting of the prompt, right? Like you could ask it a simple question, it can tell it to you, but again, a little bit of that intent is like, what are you really trying to ask it? And so I'm seeing job postings for prompt engineers and things like that, which is just really interesting. And then, my mind goes to all the different iterations of what that could be like. What are those jobs in the future, right? But yeah, prompt engineer is a role that you're starting to see pop up about that. And you made a really good point too. Sorry, jumping around, but the thing too is from an insurance carrier perspective, we talked about this last time about insurance, highly regulated industry, very compliance driven. You have to have checks and balances in place if you're leveraging these types of technologies to do any kind of business decision or business planning. And so, for any AI solution that's out there, when there's testing, there's more testing, there's continuous validation that the model is still working, that there's no biases in those models, right? And so being able to query on something, even if it is right, it's like trust but verify, or it's like I wouldn't be comfortable saying, oh, what's the source of this? Oh, I ChatGPT'd it, right? Like, no, like where did this actually come from? What's backing it up? How can we be confident in that this is the way forward?